was 50 years old. 50.
Okay.
Right when I turned 50 years old.
Okay.
Pentecostal. I mean, isn't that kind of strange? Right? So 50 years old. So the door opens up in the room, and this mighty wind, like a Pentecostal upper room. Mighty wind comes inside, and I go, oh God, is this real? Is this a tornado outside? You know, because it's a wind coming like about 80, 90 miles an hour. Man, is the house gonna blow away? What's gonna happen? You know?
Yeah.
I'm like afraid. I'm like, what's going on, God? What's going on outside? I thought it was a tornado right here that in Malden Park, California.